So you want to know how to make passive income with cryptocurrency? Well, I can show you exactly step by step how to do so. It's one of the most popular projects in 2019. Credit. Let's get right to it. Credit was created by Terra Foundation. It's essentially the Bitcoin of Africa, meant for mass adoption and usage in every sector. Credit team has created many working applications such as an online store, TerraMart, a cryptocurrency exchange, TerraceX, a mobile payment app, TerracePay, and many more desktop and mobile wallets. Also, they have newly released a feature called MiniPOS, which is, in my opinion, the future trend of all exchanges. All of these are fully functional applications, and even better, they accept direct deposit of fiat from certain countries in Africa, such as South Africa and Nigeria. Credit coin is used in each application, causing increasing demand among the African nations. Africa is the #1 growth sector for the cryptocurrency industry. Credit Project is highly regarded as the best cryptocurrency to come out of Africa so far. Listen and follow closely. I will tell you step by step how to get 100 to 200% staking reward annually. I have personally invested in credit when it first launched. I have made tremendous returns without even selling off my original investment amount. Step 1. Buy credit from a reputable exchange. I recommend CADX or BitForex. They both are secure and have active markets. Make sure to only buy in the Ethereum and Tether market, since the price of credit is less than 1 Satoshi. It's better not to use Bitcoin market. I will leave a link in the description below to show you where to trade. I recommend using CADX because they have a better team and they have better features for traders. Step 2. Once you have purchased your credit, you should transfer it from the exchange to TerraceX exchange. To get an account on TerraceX, you will need to register using a referral link or a code. There is no way around it. I will post my referral link below so that you can join. TerraceX exchange is very easy to use and it has many features. It has some of the lowest trading fees at 0.01%. In comparison, the common trading fee on other exchanges is 0.1%. So there's basically 1/100th of the fee. And also there's a 100% referral bonus on all trade fees, which is quite high. No other exchange will offer this. So once you have deposited your credit to TerraceX, you will need to transfer it to your MiniPOS wallet. To do this, you should go to your wallet found in your profile, and then you must search for credit. Once you find it, you will see your balance after you completed your deposit, and then you will go to this red setting button, left click it, and then you transfer. Now it gives you the option to transfer from your primary wallet to your MiniPOS wallet. So I'll transfer 100,000 credit from my primary to my MiniPOS wallet like this. So it says I successfully sent it. It'll be added basically at the top of each hour. Now to enter your MiniPOS system, you need to go back to credit, click this red setting button, click MiniPOS earning history. Here, each hour, your staking reward will be deposited to your account, as you can see, each hour. And at this invested amount, I am getting 200% annually currently, which is a really high staking bonus. The final step is just sit back and relax. You collect your passive income. This is the fun part. Like I said earlier, the staking reward is 200%. Normally it's 100% annually. You won't find a better staking project than this. There's one other important feature that's really unique to TerraceX. There's a 5-tier referral system, which means for every tier you're going to get a staking bonus of your referrals. So your first tier, you'll get 5% staking bonus of their amount. Second tier, you get 3% staking bonus of their credit amount. Third tier, you get 2% bonus of their staking amount. Tier 4, you get 1% staking bonus of the credit amount. And the fifth tier, you get 0.1% of their credit staking amount. As you can see, I have many referrals. Some are my tier 1, tier 2. If you go to uni level, you can see this. If you go to uni level earnings tab, you can see your referrals, which referrals are actually getting rewards, and how much your bonus is. So this guy is my tier 1. I'm getting 5% of his staking amount. This guy right here, he's in my tier 2. I'm getting 3% of his staking amount. So under this tab, you will see all your referrals and what their staking amounts are and how much bonus you will get. It's still early to be a credit investor. The project is already trading on major exchanges and the price continues to go upwards. There is no ICO or IEO for credit. They have accomplished more than other projects who raised millions of dollars.